Hey guys, Tashdile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan mixed thukpa. It's very easy and delicious this recipe and hopefully you guys love this recipe. And let's get started how to make. And before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first I'm going to soak the tamarind. So first, before soak the tamarind, cut slightly the skin. After that, add the hot water and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. In this way, it's very easy to remove the tamarind skin. You can put directly also, but I like to remove the tamarind skin. After 10 minutes later, you can see how easy to remove the tamarind skin. Now I'm going to chop the all tamarind. After that I'm going to put in one plate and set aside for a few minutes. Add the 2 teaspoons cooking oil and heat properly. And these are ingredients here I'm going to use in thukpa. It's very simple ingredient. So first I'm going to fry the garlic and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt and fry for a couple minutes until not golden brown color the garlic. After that I'm going to add tamarind, which is with chopped pepper, and mix it well. After that I'm going to add meat. Meat you can add directly also or you can fry as you like. Mix it all ingredient very nicely. After that cover and leave it for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes later, I'm going to start the meat. After that I'm going to add hot water. After add the hot water and cover and let them cook properly meat. Now it's almost ready to cook. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. After that I'm going to add my frozen momo. You can go with fresh momo also. Next, I'm going to add carrot. You can add more vegetable if you want. After that, I'm going to add noodles. Here, I'm going to use normal noodles, egg noodles. Add the noodles and lightly stir and let them boil properly. It will take only 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes later, I'm going to add spinach. Add the spinach and just cover and leave it for 30 seconds. Now mix it well. After that, it's ready to serve. So top on the noodle, I'm going to add little spicy. This is optionally, spicy is optionally. So if you don't like, you can skip the spicy. Now it's ready. So guys, if you want to know for more recipe, Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.